Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Cho. So why buy real estate? So people who have wealth in their older age always have real estate. So let me tell you something. You're going to pay rent $1,500, $2,000 a month, whatever it is, for the rest of your life. If you own a house, you'll have equity in your house. If the house doesn't even appreciate in value, in 30 years, you'll own your house and just paying your rent. Yeah, you'll have some repairs along the way. You'll have some hiccups, some scares if you can make it and you survive. But if you get through it all, that's a retirement package or it's something to leave your children. It's guaranteed to be there. Now, if you get the appreciation too on top of paying down the house, it's a good wealth generator. You have to live somewhere. If you can make it work with the house, I recommend you buying a house for just that reason. Okay? Please buy a house for just that reason. So other things are, if it's a large house, there's a lot of interest write-off. You're going to get some tax deductions. The government took away some of those write-offs, but the fact that you can decorate your own house your own way is also another bonus of buying a home. But the wealth management is the main reason. Number two is you never have to move and you can decorate anything you like, any way you want to. So please go out and buy a house. Renting is for the birds. Go get a house right now. Thank you very much.